What do you think of this?
What the fucking, where's that come from? Will, you just brought that bloody home, didn't you? I just said, what's that bloody thing on the floor down there?
What the hell are you going to do with that?
I can use the tubing.
Clean the floor.
Hi guys, welcome to another video with this absolute beast of a Numatic I got on eBay a couple of months ago for 16 quid. I think it came from another collector in Potter's Bar. I got my brother to pick it up for me in his van because it's just so big. I think it's from 1988 and it's a WVD 750. It uses two motors out of a George, so they're like BT 1004 end motors. And it is an absolute monster. It's very loud. It's got a lot of suction. It's a little bit beat up, a little bit rusty. This is metal. It's got a structural foam top on. I think when these were new, you'd have like an option of what tools you'd order with it, or at least a dealer would have. This wasn't an optional thing. It's like floor brush thingy, the Harlow Flex tube. Monster. Gets home. Have a look inside. Twin motor. Got a black switch. Filtrix filter, which interestingly is blue. It's got a double cage, probably because a single one would get crushed under the suction it produces. 1600 watt, because the motor's at 800 each. It's got a tipper feature. It's got a nice little power handle here. The bucket does come off. It's got a steel chassis, which is interesting. In all the literature it says that it should have a stainless steel one, so I'm not quite sure what's going on. Numatic for you. It does have the tipper feature, so when this is full, and just, well, say dump it out, it only goes about there. You're going to do some massive wheels on this. It does need a bit of a clean up. I haven't really done much. I've only cleaned the filter. I have taken it apart though. I have got a float for it as well, but this only has a brush on, and I don't have any pipes for it, so I can't actually suck up any water with it yet, I'm afraid. But if I get some pipes for it, then I'll do another video on it. I don't even know where I'm going to put this. It's just so big. It's crazy. Alright, listen to this. Monster. Bearings are a bit dry. I need to de-suppress it as well before that blows up. I'm not really going to use this much. Just screw this back on. I think this might have been shorted or something. It's a bit tight. I'll tell you what it is. It's adjust. It's got a little bracket on the front that the nozzle clips into. An adjuster. That's it. Screw the adjuster down until the brushes make good contact with the floor. It does wobble around a bit, so if you bash it into walls, oh, the springs come off. Little spring going in. Oh no. No, a bit tedious. So you can bash, so if you bash it into walls, it's just going to bounce off. I think you can get squeegee nozzles for this. That's what I was hoping it had, but I'm quite happy with the brush. That's made of aluminium. Bucket's steel, but it seems a bit thin. It's got Nutex coating on it. It's a little bit rusted inside it. The outside's not too bad. Fit on the back. But let's just show you with the nozzle Alright, so that's my WVD 750. Thank you for watching.